Forex trading in Kenya is growing rapidly, and choosing the right broker is key to trading safely and successfully. Today, we're exploring the best Forex brokers for Kenyan traders. Trusted, regulated, and equipped with the tools you need to trade smartly. We've reviewed and shortlisted the top Forex brokers operating in Kenya right now. These are the leading Forex brokers we suggest for traders in Kenya. Their names are on screen: FP Markets, Eightcap, Octa, Tickmill, and IC Markets. If you want to open your account for Forex trading, check the link below. FP Markets. FP Markets is one of the most trusted brokers in Kenya. Known for its tight spreads and fast execution, FP Markets offers multiple platforms, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and IRES, making it suitable for both beginners and professional traders. Traders can enjoy leverage up to 1/500, access to Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, and account types tailored to different trading styles. FP Markets also provides 24/5 customer support for Kenyan users. Deposits and withdrawals are easy with local payment options. Next is Eightcap, known for its crypto and CFD offering, with over 250 cryptocurrency instruments. It's one of the largest selections in the industry. They also deliver competitive spreads on Forex pairs, fast execution, and integration with TradingView, giving traders advanced charting tools and social trading features. If you're looking for a blend of Forex and crypto trading flexibility, Eightcap is a strong choice. Octa. Octa brings a user-friendly approach to trading with commission-free Forex accounts, a clean mobile app, and popular features like copy trading, where you can follow top-performing traders. They also provide frequent bonus promotions, making them attractive for new traders looking to start with smaller deposits. While their range of instruments is slightly smaller than others, their simplicity and low-cost structure make them beginner-friendly. Tickmill. Tickmill is known for ultra-low spreads, often starting at 0.0 pips and incredibly low commission fees, making it popular among scalpers and day traders. They offer negative balance protection, multiple account types, and a rich selection of educational content. Tickmill is a solid choice for traders who prioritize cost efficiency and quick execution. Finally, IC Markets. IC Markets, one of the largest ECN Forex brokers in the world. They process billions in daily trading volume, offering raw spreads, fast order execution, and a vast range of instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. IC Markets is highly regarded for its server stability and low latency trading, especially for algorithmic traders. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these top Forex brokers in Kenya, FP Markets, Eightcap, Octa, Tickmill, and IC Markets, provide the platforms, tools, and support to trade confidently. Always remember to trade responsibly and choose a broker that aligns with your trading goals. Start your Forex trading journey today. Trade smart, trade safe. Want more details? Our full Kenyan Forex broker guide is linked below. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more trading insights, and share this with a fellow trader.